Hello everyone, this is Dev Druid. Welcome to the orientation of my course. In this course, we'll focus on implementing Slack functionalities using Python. Let me briefly introduce the sections and objectives of the course. The course consists of 6 sections with a total duration of about 2.5 hours, where I have compactly summarized the essential content. In the first section, we'll set up the Slack app that we are going to implement directly on the Slack website. Please make sure to watch this part for a smooth progression through the course. In the second section, we will build a Python programming environment using Conda and PyCharm. If you already have your Python environment set up, feel free to skip this section. The third section covers the basics of Python programming. I've selected only the essential content necessary for following the later parts of the course. If you are already familiar with Python, you may skip this section as well. In the fourth section, we'll delve into the implementation of the basic operations of the Python Slack module known as Slackboard. This will be the most crucial part of our course. The fifth section involves implementing a few simple demo Slack app examples based on what we've learned. Examples include a weather app, a translation app, and a referral app. In the final section, we'll explore some advanced features supported by Slackboard, such as comments, webhooks, and shortcuts. If you are already familiar with Python programming, you'll find it relatively easy to follow this course. There are practice problems in lectures 19 and 20. If you can solve these problems without difficulty, you can skip section 3. But don't worry if you are new to Python programming. The course is structured in a way that you will be able to follow along comfortably. We'll be using Conda and the PyCharm editor throughout this course. However, if you are already familiar with other environments like pipenv or other editors like VS Code, it's also okay to use them. If you already have an appropriate environment set up, you can skip section 2. Lastly, let's briefly touch on the goal of this course. The primary objective is to enable you, even if you are new to Python, to develop apps that can flexibly respond with messages, emojis, and more in the way you want to on Slack. It might be somewhat challenging for beginners, but if you take it step by step, you will definitely be able to keep up. Feel free to rewatch the lectures and try out additional exercises beyond the course content. Questions are always welcome. Also, The Slack API supports a wide range of functionalities. We'll become familiar with a significant part of these, which is another important goal of this course. That concludes our orientation. Thank you for watching.